Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2024 260 SLX outboard. We just pulled this bad boy out of the shrink wrap, so you're going to notice there is plastic and protection throughout the boat. That's how they ship them from the SEA RAY factory. They fully enclose this boat with shrink wrap just like it is on the motor back there. That's actually a black Mercury 300. So if you notice on the inside, we did the dune interior, brown sea deck. We most likely have sea deck all the way through the boat, and we included all the options: the water system bundle, the entertainment bundle, the essentials bundle, everything you can think of we included on this boat, including the 3-hole gel coat. So we did the black bottom, red stripe, black top. Really looks like a great boat. We got the SEA RAY pill emblem right here that looks great. Snap cover that goes on the boat. The anchor up front, which is included in the anchor bundle. You guys, this is an awesome boat. We've sold a lot of these lately. If you're looking for sleek, style, comfort, performance, everything, all the above, that's what you're going to get with this 260 SLX outboard. Go ahead and jump inside if Sarah has time to take a peek in there. We don't have the batteries in there yet, so we can't raise the tower, but once we do, we'll send you guys some pictures.